Hello, it's the Good Steward. I wanted to come on and share with you how I prepare dressing with turkey in it. And I have actually already pre-boiled my turkey legs. I wanted to show you all the goop that's kind of still on your meat after you wash it. And I was kind of taught when I'm boiling meat to get it prepared to go into something, you want to pre-boil it. So now that I have pre-boiled it, I'm going to rinse this off and then refill the pot before I actually add seasoning to it. So all of this here, goopy stuff, I'm going to pour off of my turkey legs. My turkey legs were a pack of 3, so I'll be right back. Alright, so when I pre-boiled it, it cooked for about 30 minutes to kind of bring up all of the foamy stuff or the icky stuff that's still on the turkey. So you'll see my water is much clearer now. It's going to always have a little bit of bits in it because it's still cooking, and that's going to be some of the goodness that you get to make the broth for your dressing. So I'll probably put a little bit more water on this as it cooks down, and I will let it cook on a low temperature for probably 2 hours, maybe more. So these are my pre-chopped vegetables. I have a small onion, 2 stalks of celery, and a green bell pepper that was getting ripe, so it turned orange on me. But I'm going to put all of this in here, and this is going to help to season my turkey and make a nice broth for me to add to my dressing when I put it together. Another thing that I'm going to add is going to be bay leaves. So I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. Actually, let's see, you want to make sure you'll be able to fish them out. I'm going to put this big chunk here and another nice size one. So that's 3 bay leaves. And then I'm going to season my water with some seasoning salt. I'm not going to put too much seasoning, so just seasoning salt, and I'm going to use some black pepper because when I put my dressing together, I'll be seasoning it again at that time. So I'm just going to put some black pepper and seasoning salt. I like a lot of pepper, so you can put whatever you like to season up your broth. Okay, next thing I'm gonna add is gonna be some garlic cloves, and I don't know what I did with my. Y'all, I'm sitting here editing this video, and it's actually from my Thanksgiving dinner preparation. Some of my footage must have got cut off, or I don't know what happened to it, but the last ingredient, I believe, after the garlic cloves was paprika. So if you would just hang in there with me and enjoy this video on my version of making dressing for Thanksgiving or Christmas or whenever, and you're going to get to see a special guest here shortly. Thanks.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Am I going to be in it?
If I can get this to stay, I'm trying to get my thing to stay. You ready? Just a second, Connor. Yeah, I think that makes it stay. Okay, you ready to come crumble it up? Did you wash your hands with soap and water? But you're doing what now? Go rewash your hands, please. With soap and water really well. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, watch back. Stand up right here. And then you're going to crumble that with 2 hands. Just crumble, crumble, crumble. Yep, squeeze it together, 2 hands. Don't let it fall off the counter.
Then what?
Gotta finish squeezing it.
I wish I could take a bath in this.
You want to take a bath in the cornbread?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
My head is in.
Just keep squeezing, smiley face.
Did you start the video?
Yes. You're under recording, Tyler. Got it?
Almost.
Yep, get those big chunks. We're going to use this turkey brand stovetop pan with 2 baggies, right? Okay, so then you're going to crunch up your baggie like that. Crunch it up really good.
What's this?
Huh? Crunch up your baggie.
What's this?
That's got stuffing mix, but it's got seasoning in it already too. That's why we're really using it for the seasoning. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Tyler, careful. Don't beat it, just squeeze it. You got it? Uh-oh. Don't let your bowl fall. Just a second. I'll be back to open it for you.
Can you give me some scissors?
Huh?
Can you give me scissors?
Yep. Just 1 second. Okay.
Hold it.
And you just dump that whole bag in there, please. Dump it in there. How's it smell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dump it in there. All of it, so you can get all the seasoning out the bottom. See that seasoning right there? Okay. No, you don't have to do that. It's already crumbled up because you crumbled it. See how you got it super small? That's what we wanted. Okay? Now let's go ahead and we're going to use this cream of chicken and herbs.
That's what?
Cream of chicken and herbs. We're going to use about 3 or half of this for right now, okay?
Okay, give me a spout. Yep.
There you go.
The big spoon.
Get about half of it out, please. That's about half, right? Would you say that's about half?
Just a little, like.
Just a second. You can always add more, right?
I did a little bit.
Right, you can always add more when you cook, but you can't take things out. Then we're going to add cream of mushroom soup. How much cream of mushroom soup we're going to add? Half?
Half.
So we started with half of a 9 by 13 pan of cornbread made. And we added to that 1 thing of the stovetop turkey. And then half a can. Oh, you got a little bit more than half on the mushroom, but it's okay. Alright, can you start it around some?
Yep.
Be super careful. Hold on to that. Real careful. Slow, slow.
I'm going to try to mix it up.
Slow, please. What you like so good, Ty? Are you done with that for now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is take the turkey off the bone. So that's our turkey. We're using the same container we had the cornbread in. We're just going to use this to debone the turkey that we cooked earlier. And I did add another bit of seasoning to the turkey. I added some paprika. So this shouldn't be too hot, Tyler, because it's been cooked for a while. So we're going to, and that's not for you to eat, mister. Well, we're going to first, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to take it all off first. Then we're going to put it in. We have 2 batches of dressing to make, Tyler. So I need you to help me debone this first. Shred it up with your fingers. Put it over to the side, and then we have to split it amongst the 2 containers because we can't fit it all in one. Careful, just use your fingertips. You don't have to put it all in your hand, just your fingertips. You want to make sure you don't get any fat.
That feels so weird.
So weird. See this little piece here? You don't want that in there.
Put some in there.
No, you're going to wait till we finish it all, and then we're going to divide it in half,
That
remember?
should not be in here.
Yep, that should not. So let's take the stovetop box, use it for the trash, okay? Recycle. There you go. That's the trash now. So now that we have this cleared off, we're going to put that in the trash.
Is
Trash.
this all?
This is
Are we
trash.
going to use this?
Well, we got to get the meat off first. So we want to take the fat off. We don't want that. The skin. Somebody might, but we don't. And then we're going to break this all apart. Oh, that's the good meat.
What did you make in there?
This is the broth that the turkey legs was cooking in. This is the juice, Todd. So you see it's a little red because I put paprika in there as well. That was the last
Can I
ingredient
smell it?
I put in there. It's really hot, so be careful.
Ah.
Okay, so what Mama's gonna do is put some in there to soften your mix there. Okay? Stay back. You gotta take the bay leaf out. That goes in the trash. You don't eat that. Take that
I'll take the leaves out.
out. Okay. Be careful, it's hot. You see all the veggies in there?
Yeah, they look good.
Good.
I wish you
We're just
added
gonna
some
try to
grapes
put
and
about
some carrots.
half of this in there. I think that's enough.
Can I?
Watch out. I told you that's hot, right?
I know, can I put some in?
Nope, let me pour a little bit of this.
It's not getting out.
Yeah, it's getting out. And then we're going to save the rest for the other batch. You want to stir or you want me to stir? You want me to do it? It's a little
Sure.
bit tough.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. So from here, you're just gonna stir it up, get it to a little bit more liquidy consistency. And then you'll start tasting it. I don't want to use up all of my good turkey broth. I'll use some chicken stock as
taste
well.
it. I'll taste it.
Just a second.
Can I taste some of that?
Huh?
That thing right there.
Watch your hands. Watch your hands, please. I'm gonna move this back over there. How's it taste so far? Need salt and pepper?
Just salt.
Just salt?
Can I put some salt?
Yeah, a little bit of salt.
Just need to put some on.
Shake it a little more. Okay, that's enough. Let me put some pepper.
Can I put like a little bit more salt?
No, you gotta stir this around and see. Remember, you can always add, but you can't do what?
And
Take away. Okay, we need more liquid, so just hang on. Now this chicken broth is low sodium, so we're gonna use this so that way we can control the amount of salt, right?
does it smell good?
It does, smells like chicken broth.
You got some on my feet.
It's splattered up. I'm sorry. That's about a cup of chicken broth that we just used.
Can I put like one little touch of salt on?
No, we gotta taste it first. Put the salt down. And we already put sage and stuff in it. And it comes with sage, so. Well, we didn't put sage in it, we put thyme in the meat. Can you not do that? Yeah.
I like it.
It does not need any more salt. That's for certain. Needs a little bit of sage.
What's sage?
Something that's at the top of this cabinet that I don't even know how to reach it.
Ask Dad.
That's what I've been telling her.
I got it. Okay.
Ooh, can I put it in there?
Nope.
No.
Gotta be gentle with that. You don't want too much.
The sage?
Yep, some people like their dressing really sagey. Some people don't.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. It's just a different kind of seasoning. I think this is it for this time. Some people will beat an egg and put in their dressing, but I don't normally do that. Sometimes people will boil an egg and put in there, and I don't normally do that either. I know y'all can't believe it, but my video cut off again. Yep. I had a really hard time making this video for y'all, and it's probably because I decided at the last minute that I would try to record it. Anyways, please make sure that you bake your dressing once you finish putting it all together. It takes about 40 minutes. It's going to depend on the consistency of your dressing as to how long it's going to take to get harder, or if you like your crust a little bit darker than the middle. You know, it's really just going to depend on what you prefer or what your family prefers. So I hope you can use this recipe in your future to make your family's dressing or to store some for a holiday. I will talk to you on the next video. Be blessed. Thank you.